Yo, what's up everybody? I'm gonna show you today something different what not many people showing while in Bangkok, which is Terminal 21 Mall, but Rama 3, which is next to the beautiful river, actually Chao Phraya River in Bangkok, and it's brand new mall, totally different than Terminal 21 here in ASOK. So it's cool. I'm just gonna get inside because it's so hot outside today. Very wide river with not too many boats and the bridge and a little bit of the skyline of Bangkok. This is the side of the river when not too many boats are coming, so it's totally different. Level 21 Rama 3 Mall, which is the different Terminal 21. Terminal 21 Rama 3, not the level 21. Terminal 21 Rama 3, but not in the ASOK, where next is Sukhumvit. But this one is actually pretty far, 10 kilometers, half-hour drive by taxi. But it's really cool. A lot of very cool decorations here, because Terminal 21 malls, they are famous for that. And this is Bangkok, so there's a lot of malls and stuff like this one here. This is a little bit of the view of the mall from the outside. Looks actually cool. I'm gonna tell you, I like it. Let's get inside. Inside you have a very nice looking Starbucks, very gentle, very nice indeed. And so many beautiful decorations like flowers and everything for the mall is cool. And look at this one, as I said, Terminal 21, they really have a nice decorations everywhere. There's a Jack Sparrow and his boat here landed, and this is one of the little lobbies here. Cool. There's a lot of floors. Every floor have a different decor and design. This is like England, British floor, kind of English style. Very cool. So many lights, so many stuff. Totally different, I could say. Just cool. And even the floor is like this one. Cool. Nice shops you can find. Of course, I'm gonna show you a little bit from each floor. This one is England, but it's really nice decor for the mall. Actually, you're going more and more. This is really nice looking mall and very quiet. I like it. Somewhere here is even the pier, so it's the river. I know on the map there is river somewhere, but I don't know where. But the place is huge, spacious, with nice decorations and very quiet, at least at 11 o'clock at the morning. Inside is very nice ceiling, actually imitating the sky, and it's so beautiful. I mean, it's just the mall. I know I'm excited about the mall, but it's nice. I mean, it's cool, it's different, it's just beautiful. Look at the strawberries from the ceiling and stuff. It's like something what you don't see. Even you have a Playboy shop though. Another floor, a lot of very interesting stuff, like a decoration of this bridge, which looks very Londonish, very British, but it's cool. This is Terminal 21 Rama 3, in case if you miss the name of the mall. And it's actually a lot of nice restaurants and places to be and visit here. It's actually cool. I like it. A lot of actually nice places to have a lunch and dinner. Seems like you have a little Venice here with this nice decorations and everything. There's actually a lot of places to making pictures. This is like a concept of the mall. They make it the theme one, but I gonna tell you the level of details and how they made it. It's really cool. Look at this one. It's like, you know, it's cool. Oh, look at this balloon actually. How cool is this, right? Another floor now. This is already the only one left. Going up, a lot of nice shops, nice decorations. Really cool. And these balloons and everything, and the ceiling. I'll tell you, nice mall. I know it's just the mall for some people, but after living so many years in Asia, somehow the malls are very important landmarks here. And I'm gonna tell you, it's cool. They even have this replica of the Citroen car with the little doggo inside. How cool is this, huh? Then from the top floor you have a nice view overlooking the Chao Phraya River actually. There is the one boat, but there is not too many boats here. And this is the top level. Only you can go, as you can see the star, going to cinema, which is very characteristic for the malls here. Definitely they make it really cool decorations here everywhere. That's without any dabs. I'm gonna tell you, I like it. I like it. It's cool. And we're gonna explore a little bit more. But overall for the mall, very cool. Like this one. This one is like a Vietnam actually. Very cool. A lot of decorations, very nice mall. Looks new because it is pretty new. And overall, what I'm gonna tell you, it's just cool. This one is exactly the same like in the previous Terminal 21. and the bridge is no San Francisco, but perhaps is the gate bridge from England. Forgot the name, but my viewers should tell me what it looks like. And cool. Oh, and the sumo here. Actually, this as well. And this is the entrance to the toilet on Japanese floor. Somebody told me as I have to film toilets here because they are like, you're not gonna find the toilets like this one in the other malls anywhere elsewhere. Only Southeast Asia can create something like that. And yeah, let's see the Japanese toilet. Well, I'm filming inside, but it's okay. Not many people here though. That's the sinks and everything. Very, very cool, huh? Very cool, I'm gonna tell you. This is the stuff here and the toilet with Japanese toilet, obviously. We are on the French floor, also beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, looking for some coffee shop here because it's time for coffee and it's nice. I like it. This is Italian floor actually. I think this is way better for my coffee summer here. We should get something cool, I guess. Oh, I can see the pizza place. Actually, this is just breakfast time, but pizza here could be nice. I like it. Okay, plenty of stuff. Also, Thai food is also here. So let's find a place for the coffee and I will show you a little bit. We still cannot find the coffee, but look at the place with the restaurants everywhere around here. Actually cool. What's that? Oh, that's the Michelin stars. So many of them. So cool. Hello. Very, very cool places actually, I'm gonna tell you. Really cool. Not sure where I'm gonna have a coffee, but the overall plenty of places. For the pizza, there is there for sure. So we found the shop. Actually, I found the shop for the coffee. We are sitting here outside with Uncle and Aunt.
Rabbits and Bobs.
Rabbit, Pink Rabbit and Bob. Good name. And the cakes are so beautiful. Check this out. Berry pie, the strawberry something, the chocolate mascarpone. Look at the level of details, like the plates and everything. It's so cool. And the prices are like, 175, 200 baht for the cake, 125k for the baht for the coffee. They have a lavazza, so should be good. So the actual place name is a Pink Rabbit plus Bob. So it's cool, and this is the cake selection. What I was talking about, they have a lot of cakes. So it's the pricings and everything. I'm gonna tell you, looks cool and joke. Mine was the mascarpone. And there's also chocolate layer and everything, and that's the top 10 cakes here, best sellers. And also inside the place, looking like this one. I'm gonna show you, they're making my coffee like this one, and the sittings also like this one, and also you can face the river in case if you want, but here is just simply a little bit hotter, but it's cool stuff. I like it. And this is the hot cappuccino what we got today. 3 of them, but look at the the porcelain and everything. I'm so impressed, and the cappuccino looks actually the way how it's supposed to be. Yes, some other Italian people, you can confirm that. Cool, huh? Very cool place.
Where's your cake?
Where's your cake? Gone already? So quick. Before coffee? The cake gone. All right. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy. Regarding of this stuff, this is like a very nice crockery. I just learned this is the word, right? Crockery. That was so rude. But I'm talking serious about this one. Is really nice, and it came from the Royal Worcester Group, which is imported from England. It's cool. I mean, they're really taking care of the details in this place.
Where Louise and Paul live. Hello, Louise and Paul.
Hello, Louise and Paul. I know those same people. The same people, the same Louise and Paul. All right. So next time to come to Bali, bring me this. It's nice. It's nice. And the bottom floor is Caribbean floor actually, which is also cool. This is where the Captain Jack Sparrow is, which is obviously the food court here. Stuff, but it's cool. Donut, bonjour, and you see the Caribbean vibes, basically, like this one with the flamings and everything, and the old Volkswagen car. Nice. And the supermarket. So this one is actually very similar. On the British floor, they even have a genuine Mini Cooper car. Actually cool. Not sure where they took it from, but it looks cool, actually really cool. And then there is Terminal 21 Express, looks like an entrance to the Harry Potter Hogwarts or some sort of thing. Actually cool, the lady was smiling. It's cool, it's like Harry Potter stuff actually, the Hogwarts and stuff. Cool, very cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna tell you that was really cool mall. That's without any doubts. Just after Icon Siam, I believe this is my second favorite mall in Bangkok. So it's very highly recommended to visit. However, you have to take a taxi. There's no public transport nearby, but definitely worth it. And I'm really surprised there's not too many people who making videos in Bangkok. Even the expats who are making the YouTube videos, they don't really filming here because it's really cool. Well, that was a little bit longer than I expected, so that's only one video here. Tomorrow will be the last video from Bangkok. So for now, thanks so much for watching. Big thumb up. See you tomorrow.